How to get Shein free shipping. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get Shein free shipping. First, open Shein and log in to your account. To get free shipping, there are a few options. If it's your first time buying from Shein, you will get free shipping automatically. Your first order will always have free shipping, so you won't be charged for shipping. Also, if your purchase is over $10, you qualify for free shipping. For instance, if I buy something that costs more than $10 when I check out, it will show free shipping because the total is over $10. If your order is less than $10, try adding more items to reach at least $10. This way, you can get free shipping and save money on delivery costs. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.